Hey, let me show you how to share the same post automatically on both Facebook and Instagram. So first, from your Instagram, you have to go to your profile and hit the hamburger menu. Then select Account Center. From here, tap Add Accounts. Now here you will see the option Add Facebook Account. Just go for it. And here you will see your existing Facebook account. If you don't find it here, just go for Not Now. And if it's still not there, just choose Use a different account to log in. I just select my existing account from here, then continue, and now it's added successfully. Now the time to go to your Facebook, and whenever you post something, you will see the Instagram icon at the bottom. Just toggle it on, and you can even set it to always share. This way, every post you share on Facebook will automatically go to Instagram. And it works the other way too. When posting from Instagram, you will see the Facebook toggle, just turn it on, and your post will automatically appear on Facebook as well. And that's it. Now your post can automatically share on both platforms. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.